Welcome to Module 1, Pantry Space. This video will cover important guidelines for storing food products in your pantry. Acceptable shelving is essential for ensuring food is stored safely and appropriately. The top of the lowest shelf containing food products must be a minimum of 6 inches above the floor. As shown in these photos, compliance is verified by measuring the distance from the floor to the top of the bottom shelf. This requirement aligns with the Feeding America guidelines and will help us maintain safe and sanitary food storage practices. Here are a few examples on non-compliant shelving. You will notice that all of these shelves are too close to the floor and not suitable for storing food. The exception to the 6-inch shelving requirement is food stored on a standard pallet or half pallet. Pallets are specifically designed to keep products elevated off the floor and therefore meet the intent of the food safety requirement. As a result, food stored on a standard pallet or half pallet is considered compliant. Worried about your pantry space? We are here to help. The following slides show some solutions if part of your pantry storage is not at least 6 inches off the floor. One solution is to store non-food items, such as paper goods and storage supplies, on your bottom shelves, keeping food elevated on the shelves above. If you have adjustable shelving, you can raise the bottom shelf to ensure it is at least 6 inches off the floor. Adjusting the shelf height can quickly create the required clearance for food storage without the need for additional equipment or storage solutions. Another solution is to store food on a wheeled cart that keeps all items at least 6 inches off the floor. Wheeled carts can be an effective storage solution because they meet the clearance requirement while also making it easier to transport the food in your pantry. If needed, you can purchase carts directly from hand to hand. Another simple way to meet the 6-inch clearance requirement is to place full food bins on top of an empty food bin to elevate them off the floor. When using this method, make sure the bins are clean, stable, and stacked securely to prevent tipping or damage. This can be an effective solution when shelving space is limited and additional storage equipment is not available. Now that we've reviewed the shelving requirements and possible solutions, here are a few additional pantry requirements. These guidelines help maintain food quality and support a safe storage environment. Food should be protected from extreme temperatures. Food should not be stored near heat sources, in direct sunlight, or in areas that may be exposed to freezing conditions. Excessive heat or cold can affect the quality and safety of food products. Your food pantry must be protected from pests. It is essential that your storage area remains free from insects, rodents, and molds that could contaminate food. To help prevent this, store food in sealed containers and routinely inspect the storage area for signs of pest activity. You will also want to implement appropriate pest control measures, such as traps. Finally, food should be in a secure and locked space, accessible only to designated staff and volunteers. This may be a dedicated room with a lockable door or a set of secure, lockable cabinets used specifically for food storage. If you need any assistance ensuring that your pantry space follows these requirements, please reach out to a hand-to-hand partnership team member. Now that you have learned about the pantry guidelines, return to the Google form and answer the review questions.